Huge day for the market tomorrow, and I will tell you why in just a second. But for those of you that are freaking out about Webull stock pulling down today, we actually called this out and said it was going to go down today. And this usually always happens before when we break the 4-hour EMA. The first time is always a fake out. But I'll link that video in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. But let's quickly break this down. Our high in the day is 1162 and a low of 1118. We are down 2.38% on the day, which is not bad. But the big news for tomorrow, the interest rate meeting and report decision is coming out tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern time. The expectation is that we're going to go down by 0.25%, and the interest rate is going to fall to 4%. But if we look at the technicals, we broke the 4-hour EMA yesterday. This was the first time since we sold off. Usually the first time is a fake out. We always go down to retest. And we created a lower low today, which this was our lowest point. We went lower. We also had a lower high, which this was our highest point from yesterday, which is showing a smaller, like a little bit of a loss of confidence. But this is not a bad thing. And this is why, because before we have a big breakout, when we went to retest this, we are now pulling down to show the strength of the sell, well, not the sell-off, show the strength of this to see the strength of the support. Because if we reverse here and re-break the 4-hour EMA again, that means we just created a higher low. This would be our low point, and if we reverse here and then go up, this would be a really positive sign. So we need to pull back so that we can create that higher low. That would bring a ton of confidence back, and then we can re-break this. But if once we re-break the 4-hour EMA the second time, that's when we can expect for it to break $12 and then go all the way up to the moving average, which would be a huge pump. I think that's going to happen, but what I think tomorrow, we could possibly re-break this support. So an oversold area would be 1110. I think that's where we're going to hold most likely. And then the overbought area, if we re-break this, would be 1170 on the day. So make sure you watch that 2 p.m. time. That's when this could possibly pump. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll give you guys an update tomorrow.